Well, I think the troops are going to do what they're asked to do.
A federal judge Monday afternoon declined to block the deployment of National Guard troops to Illinois. Hundreds of members of the Texas National Guard could be deployed to cities like Chicago and Portland, even with a pending legal challenge. Governor Greg Abbott said online it'll, quote, ensure safety for federal officials, end quote. As Abbott described, protests continuing at immigration and customs enforcement facilities. Retired U.S. Army Major General Bo Young says it's an unusual move.
If the question is it common to deploy the Guard for safety purposes? No, I don't think it's common.
Yesterday, Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker said U.S. President Donald Trump ordered 400 Texas National Guardsmen to be deployed to Illinois, Oregon, and other parts of the United States.
Is this the proper use of the National Guard to call them up for something like this?
The Guard can assist in law enforcement adjacent missions like counter-drug, border security, as long as they're under the appropriate status and the appropriate legal authority.
Yesterday, Pritzker called the move, quote, Trump's invasion, end quote, and asked Texas Governor Abbott to refuse to coordinate. Governor Abbott responded to Pritzker, saying he, quote, fully authorized the president to call up members of the National Guard and added, quote, you can either fully enforce protection for federal employees or get out of the way and let Texas Guard do it, end quote.
I think it's pretty shameful, and I don't think the founders of Texas would have thought very kindly about it either.
Yesterday, a federal judge temporarily blocked the deployment of any National Guard units to Oregon. Today, the state of Illinois and city of Chicago filed lawsuits looking to stop the Trump administration from sending National Guardsmen into Chicago.
I think the issue is really one of authority and what tasks the National Guard are asked to perform. So they can provide associated support, logistics, building security, things like that, but they cannot provide direct law enforcement.
This isn't the America you or I want to live in.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.